First, we perform this multiplication. 4 over 3 multiplied by 3, this 3, and this 3, cancel each other out, and only 4 remains. Finally, 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, I stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. Then we perform the remaining operation. This same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. 8 divided by 4 over 3 multiplied by 3. Now, in this expression, there is both multiplication and division. According to PEMDAS, since multiplication and division have equal priority, we move from left to right, and whichever operation we reach first, we perform it first. Now, in this expression, if we move from left to right, we reach the division first, so we first perform the division, and then perform the multiplication. 8 divided by 4 over 3. To solve this part of the question, we use the KCF rule. This rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. According to this rule, we keep the first fraction as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now, according to this rule, we keep 8 as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip 4 over 3, which becomes 3 over 4, 4 divided by 4 equals 1, then, 8 divided by 4 equals 2, next, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6, finally, 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18, which is our correct final answer. Thank you for watching this video.